Hello everyone! Today is an exciting day because my new microphone just arrived. The one and only Audio-Technica AT2020. So, let's jump straight into this unboxing and see what this thing is all about. Right from the start, the box looks super clean. On the front you've got a big sharp image of the mic, and on the side you can already see some of the key specs like the cardioid pickup pattern and the studio quality performance. First layer, documentation. We've got the user manual and the warranty info. Nothing too fancy, but very helpful if you're new to condenser microphones or want to double check your setup. Next up, we get a padded protected pouch, perfect for traveling or just keeping dust off your gear. It is a nice touch. Inside it, we can find the pivoting stand mount. It feels very solid. Exactly what you want for positioning the mic on a boom arm or on a desk stand. And now the star of the show, the one and only Audio-Technica AT2020. This microphone feels awesome. The build is 100% metal, super sturdy, and the grill feels extremely well made. You can instantly tell why this mic is so popular for podcast streams, voiceovers, and vocal recording. But before anything else, let's do a proper sound comparison. For this test, both microphones, the AT2020 and the Godox Lavalier mic, are running through my mixer, the Soundcraft Notepad-8FX, with the exact same gain and volume levels. First, here's my voice using the Godox Lav mic. This is a quick audio test to hear how my voice sounds on the Godox Lav mic. And now, here's my voice using the AT2020. This is a quick test to hear the difference with the AT2020. Did you hear a big difference? Write me in the comments, I'm very curious to read your opinions. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this unboxing, and I'll see you next video.